Hello dear students, big news about PM Research Fellowship. There is a reduced gate score and lateral entry option for PM Research Fellowship applicants. So the NITs, which is National Institute of Technology, among the top 25 institutions as per NIRF ranking, will also be eligible to grant this fellowship. So under this fellowship, few changes are done by HRD Ministry. HRD Ministry announced that there is a required gate score which was earlier different. Now it is reduced, as well as there is an introduction of a lateral entry option also. So the National Institute of Technology, among the top 25 institutions as per NIRF ranking, will also be eligible to grant this fellowship. To boost up the research in the country, in various amendments, that is, changes have been carried out in Prime Minister Research Fellowship Scheme. Now the students which are from any recognized institute or university other than IIScs, IITs, NITs, IISERS, IIEST and IIITs, the requirement of GATE score is reduced to 650 from 750. Earlier it was 750 out of 1000, but it is reduced to 650 now. Apart from minimum CGPA of 8 or equivalent, this is the statement given by the Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal. Now there will be two channels of entries. One will be direct entry and another is lateral entry. So in lateral entry, the students who are pursuing PhD in PMRF, granting institutions completed 12 months or 25 months as per certain requirements, can also be applied to become fellow under the scheme as per new guidelines. So the scheme announced in the 2018-19 budget is aimed at improving the quality of research in various higher educational institutions in the country. The scheme seeks to attract the best talent into research, thereby realizing the vision of development through innovation. Now, the institutes which can offer PRM include all the IITs and IISERS, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, some of the top central universities and NITs that offer science or technology degrees. So the candidates which will be selected through a rigorous selection process, and their performance will be reviewed suitably through a national convention. So this will be starts from the academic year 2020-21. Candidates can apply for this PMRF through either direct entry channel or lateral entry channel. So it means that now PMRF is open to those colleges also which comes in first 25 in NIRF ranking. Also there are two major changes are done in this scheme. First one is reduced GATE score from 750 to 650, and second one is you have lateral entry option also. So that's it in this video. Thank you.